Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy, cheap way to hang your pins. This can be accomplished with any type of pen holder that has holes in it. I'm going to link a couple of options down below, and I'm also going to be talking about my favorite pens and what I have in my pen and highlighter marker collection. Right now, my favorite flare pens right now are the Papermate flare pens. Because I originally had, when I got flare pens, hold on a second. When I had flare pens, I had the Amazon basic ones, and I really love these pens. They don't bleed. They're super great, but the black one was the first one to go. I don't even know why I still have it. I need to throw it away, but it was the first one to go because I use black all the time. And then when I went to go order some more, they don't offer just black with the Amazon basic, so then I went with the Papermate ones. And y'all, these are my freaking favorite flare pens. Like, I don't know how to explain it. People who love pens will understand what I'm saying. The way that they write is just so nice, and I've been practicing, like, doing, like, not really calligraphy, but like better handwriting and, you know, like fancy things like in my journals and stuff, and this does the trick. I love these pens. I'm definitely gonna get more. I like the Amazon basic ones for colors and stuff, but I think I'm gonna just end up getting more Papermate pens. I love them so much. Okay, and then my favorite gel pens are I get them from my dollar store, so I don't know if you'll be able to find them. If I find them on Amazon, then I'll link them. But I get these from my dollar store. They are really good gel pens. I usually write with them in my journals, and they're just super cute and glittery. But the other gel pens that I like are from Pen and Gear, which is a Walmart brand. And these are super cute. So these are regular, and then these are like glitter ones, and then these are like kind of like pastels. So I have two favorites for gel pens, which is Walmart brand and from my local dollar store. And then my favorite highlighters right now, I actually have two as well. I use highlighters for my journaling Bible and sometimes in my planner. And so I heard about these erasable highlighters, and I felt like, what? This is too good to be true. But no, y'all, these are so good. They're called Friction Light by Pilot. You guys, this is the eraser. They work so good, y'all. I love these highlighters. They I got the pastel pack, but I think I'm gonna get the dark pack as well, because I just really love that I can erase the highlighter. Like, come on, that's perfect, especially for your Bible. And then they do bleed a little though. I should say that they do bleed a little. So if you don't want any bleed through in your Bible, the perfect highlighters are gel highlighters, and I got mine from Walmart from my favorite Pen Plus Care. That's what they look like. They never dry out, and they don't smear, so it's a perfect highlighter for your Bible. I love these so much. And then I just have like regular highlighters, but these all bleed through. So these are the perfect ones if you don't want any bleed through. I don't really use ballpoint pens, but when I do, I usually get Bic. I rarely ever use ballpoint pens, but like if I need to sign something or whatever, then I get Bic. And then as far as pencils, I usually use just like mechanical, you know, pencils from Bic as well. But if I'm drawing something, I do like to just have a regular number 2 pencil. And then as far as like colored pens, like I said, I don't really use ballpoint pens, but I use Bic as well. So Bic for pens that are not gel, that's my favorite. But I'm gonna go ahead and organize these. a super easy way to do this. I linked everything down below. I got everything from my local dollar store, but I did link possible options off of Amazon, and I also linked all of the pins and highlighters that I talked about as well. I did end up buying another one just to add because I had a little OCD. It didn't look right with just the 4. So I ended up adding another one for my pencils. But yeah, it was super easy, super cheap, guys. I suggest that you do try it out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can keep seeing the videos. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.